to my channel Learn with Nimra. So today we are going to learn about pet animals, farm animals and wild animals. The farm animals. Farm is a place where some animals are kept in large numbers. We get milk, eggs and meat and wool, etc. from them. Farm animals. Some animals include rooster, horse, cow, goat, and sheep. Pet animals. Pet animals are kept in home and are treated kindly. Some pet animals. Some pet animals are cat, dog, fish, and parrot, and rabbit. Oh, they look so cute, and they are always friendly with humans. Wild animals. Wild animals live in nature.